Imagine sinking your teeth into a perfectly crispy golden brown pizza, fresh from your own kitchen, in just 8 minutes. No more soggy crusts or unevenly cooked toppings from your standard oven. This Crosson Countertop electric frozen pizza oven transforms your home into a pizzeria, delivering restaurant-quality results with ease. Whether you're a busy parent, a pizza enthusiast, or a small business owner, this compact, versatile appliance is designed to elevate your cooking game. Let's dive into why this pizza oven is a must-have for anyone craving quick, delicious meals. Solving common cooking frustrations. Frozen pizzas often disappoint with limp crusts or unevenly melted cheese when cooked in a traditional oven. The Crosson Countertop electric pizza oven tackles these issues head-on. Its powerful 1,550-watt heating elements ensure rapid, even cooking, crisping up 13-inch frozen pizzas in just 8 minutes. No more waiting 20 to 30 minutes for a subpar result. The intelligent design, complete with a glass door and interior light, lets you monitor your food without losing heat, ensuring perfect results every time. Say goodbye to overcooked edges or underdone centers. This oven delivers consistency. Why the Crosson pizza oven stands out. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a game changer for home cooks and small businesses alike. Here's why the Crosson Countertop electric pizza oven deserves a spot in your kitchen. Super fast cooking. Bakes 13-inch frozen pizzas in just 8 minutes, thanks to its 1,550-watt power and efficient heating elements, perfect for quick meals or entertaining guests. Intelligent design. The glass door and interior light let you keep an eye on your food without opening the oven, preserving heat and ensuring even cooking. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizza, this oven handles chicken wings, vegetables, egg rolls, and tartlets, making it a multi-purpose appliance for snacks and meals. User-friendly operation. Simple controls allow you to set the temperature and timer, up to 30 minutes, and walk away, no complicated settings or guesswork. Easy cleanup. A removable crumb tray and detachable handle make cleaning a breeze, saving you time and effort after every use. Compact yet spacious, fits 13-inch pizzas while maintaining a countertop-friendly footprint, ideal for home kitchens or small restaurants. Commercial-grade durability, built with stainless steel for long-lasting performance, even with frequent use.
Benefits that make a difference. The Crosson pizza oven isn't just about speed, it's about quality, convenience, and versatility. Here are the top benefits that set it apart. Restaurant-quality results at home. Achieve crispy crusts and perfectly melted toppings, rivaling your favorite pizzeria without leaving your kitchen. Time-saving efficiency. Cook meals in a fraction of the time compared to traditional ovens, perfect for busy weeknights or last-minute gatherings. Low maintenance, high reward. The easy-to-clean design ensures you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your food. Who is this oven for? The Crosson Countertop electric pizza oven is perfect for busy families. Whip up quick, delicious meals for kids or unexpected guests without the hassle. Pizza lovers. Enjoy pizzeria-style frozen or fresh pizzas at home, customized with your favorite toppings. Small business owners. Ideal for cafes, food trucks, or small restaurants looking to serve high-quality snacks without investing in a full-sized oven. Home chefs. Experiment with a variety of dishes, from egg rolls to tartlets, in a compact, easy-to-use appliance. Addressing potential concerns. No product is perfect, so let's talk about a few considerations. The oven's exterior can get warm during extended use, so keep it on a heat-resistant surface and away from kids. Some users have noted that the timer doesn't automatically shut off the oven, so you'll need to manually turn it off when done. This isn't a deal breaker, but it's worth noting for safety-conscious users. Lastly, while it's designed for 13-inch pizzas, larger 16-inch pies won't fit. Check the double-deck version if you need more space. Why you should buy now. The Crosson Countertop electric pizza oven combines speed, versatility, and ease of use in a way that few appliances can match. Whether you're craving a quick weeknight pizza, hosting a game night party, or running a small food business, this oven delivers consistent, high-quality results. Its compact size, durable construction, and low-maintenance design make it a smart investment for any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.